You get a pan, I'll get a bowl of hay. You get a pan, I'll get a bowl. Chicken and dumplings is our goal. Honey, sugar, shake up mine.
Okay, and who's that last lady?
Cheryl.
The easiest part, she sings.
Good night, chickens.
What?
Good night, roosters. Goodbye, poultry. We're going to eat you now.
Okay, we don't have to practice because she's already got it. Well, here's the trick of the song. All 5 songs are sung at the same time. It's a disaster, all right? And each of them